So this is what now let me show you which are placing installing modules and the module installation you will see now. You can see the back and the side and the you always check the module whether it is good in condition or not. And second is that I should check the terminals. Side goes to positive, which goes to negative. Goes tightly. So this is how they are. Expression. So place this one is in second and that one is goes in.
जो पकड़ का काम पकड़ दो अब ये ना इसको थोड़ा सा निकालते हैं और थोड़ा सा देख यहाँ कर रखा रख देगा फर्स्ट से वो अपना फटके रख भी तो दिया सोलर मत करो.
So there is a placing issue. So from the beginning while placing, you should always care about the module spacing.
ना ही तुम देखो स्कूल लेवल देता भी तो हाँ अपना भाई चला.
So more problem you can see the spacing issue. So while doing this, and you should always care about the spacing. So that's why you can easily manage. So once you have some perfect alignment in this structure, the module alignment is here. So now you can see it's there. So always don't try to stand on that pallet box because there might be some. So this is how they were installed. Module installation is done. So that I can show you to you all. And for this session hardware required, so we have hardware over here. You can see that.